Of the national anthems as Senegal return to their strongest side. Certainly Duncan Crowley makes a couple of changes on the side that may have lost to Nigeria, but 4 players on 3 goals apiece. 2 of them out on the field as Senegal sure they finished 3rd. Serendia fails to keep possession for Duncan Crowley's side. The 59-year-old winger netting from the penalty spot as a substitute against Somalia, and once again showing his trickery. Has been an impressive performer for the Senegalese side. Feeling the effects and then going down straight on the job at hand, even if from Lassana Traore. Lifts the ball in. The header lifts up. There's a little shove there from Vicky Kawana. Eventually it has gone against South African forward as he and Konate box him in. Up in the air again. This time does get the flick on, and Sal gets there first. Amadou Diallo to Konate. Sized it up there. Gets the byline. Of Glasgow Rangers, certainly. The young South African version swings it in. Will be a corner. Yeme pops up on this left-hand flank, swings it in. Headed away, only as far as Amara Diouf. Looks to have switched flanks and almost profited immediately. Yeme's cross. Ball swung in, but good. Ball launched high and over, and running for him. In the end, first time ball, that's a mark, and yet find a way through. Another to the edge of the area, flicked from Kawana, swung in, free header. Well, Lassana Traore maybe just did enough to take Michael Dokunmu's eye off this. Down the line for Amara Diouf, now back on this left flank. Not given up by Dieme, and it's the opening goal. There was no danger, but Waylon Laneke swung a boot at it, and it's another own goal that's opened the scoring for Senegal. Just as Mohamed put through his own net, and Senegal met Somalia. Diame just put it into a dangerous area, and without knowing what was behind him, Reneke, the young Teranga Cubs, given a helping hand. Well, let's ask why. Maybe Amara Diouf's got something special planned. Swings it into a great area, and in the blink of an eye, it has gone worse for South Africa. Senegal 2-0 up, and the Amajimbos have an absolute mountain to climb. Dummy there, it fell kindly for Abdou Aziz, and the midfielder has just tucked it away and possibly put away South Africa's hopes of the semi-finals. In fact, initial delivery, and Wallace and South Africa are desperate for that to be the case. Otherwise, it would be quite. Avarchek did deny their goal, which was the correct decision. Byline clips it across. kept alive. And that is 3 and lights out. Mamadou Sadio. His second name, the first of the biggest star in Senegalese football, Sadio Mane. And it was the Bayern Munich striker's penalty that has started off this golden age of Senegalese football. And after a senior AFCON triumph, followed by a 7th Senegalese beach AFCON title, the Chan won here on this pitch back in February, and the under-20s lifting Morocco and Nigeria. And now 3-0 down to Senegal. Spectacular. Well, it's none of the above. 3-0 just before the break. Ibrahim Diallo, deep cross. Gets it. They're missing the last 2 additions, but they're being cut to pieces here. Hello. Swung in for Omar Sal. Oh, it's a brilliant ball for Mabena. He was asking a lot. Vicky Kawana. And in fact, the flag has gone up. Advantage played, Omar Sal. I think he's onside. Could be a tap in here. Oh, he took one touch too many. To find Amara Diouf for the easiest of tap-ins. So waiting forward before the goal, and it has been given. Omar Sal onside. And Amara Diouf doesn't look too upset about celebrating belatedly. It's all about getting the right decisions, and they've done so again. It's a 4th goal of the tournament, and he's out alone as the top scorer. And Senegal don't look like stopping. No, took on though to leave the action. Gabriel Mato again. Lifted in, but it's an ease. Swings it in. It's a brilliant ball. A few misses. Drilled across. Amara Diouf drives into space. Oh, it's a shot themselves a goal. Onto the edge of the area, Mabena couldn't take it first time. Issues or situations. Anyway, back to the football. So, King up. Now Ibrahim Diallo, inopportune slip, and it is a 5-star young Teranga Cubs showing. The Cubs have not yet whetted their appetite, and it's Amara Diouf again. Pain, the expressions of the Amajimbos. And there is a long way to go before this match is over. The slip, the worst possible time from Sabilla. No pressure on Ibrahim Diallo. And coming in off the left flank is the young Teranga Cubs number 10, their captain, their leader. And he is in no doubt the leader of... Well, the second down the line for So. It's flicked off. Comes to the edge of the area. While ball swung in.